Welcome to my channel. This is Dr Nillie Teymouri, and today we're talking about hand pain, accompanied by tingling or numbness, which may affect a few fingers or the entire hand. When these symptoms persist and become chronic, they often indicate an underlying medical condition. Think of your hand and brain as a communication network. The brain sends signals down the arm to move your hand and fingers, while the hand sends signals back to the brain about what you're feeling. When something goes wrong with this network, like a cut wire, it can cause pain and numbness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest health tips and insights. Cervical radiculopathy is like a garden hose with a kink in it. Imagine the nerves in your neck as water flowing through a hose. When there's a kink, or a pinched or inflamed nerve root, it stops the water from flowing smoothly, causing problems downstream. These problems show up as neurological deficits. You might feel tingling, like when your foot falls asleep, or numbness, as if you've lost feeling in part of your body. There can also be weakness in your shoulder, arm, or hand, making it hard to grip things or lift them. The pain, called radicular pain, can be like a dull ache, a sharp stab, or even an electric shock. Which part of your hand feels these symptoms depends on which spinal nerve is pinched, like how a kink in different parts of a hose affects different areas of your garden. Although it usually affects just one side, like a kink on one side of a hose, sometimes it can affect both sides. Carpal tunnel syndrome is like a blocked tunnel where the median nerve gets squeezed, leading to similar symptoms, but only in the wrist and hand. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disease, is like rust forming on both sides of a bridge, causing pain and inflammation in the joints of both hands. Advanced stages can even block the carpal tunnel, adding to the numbness. Other conditions like diabetes or vitamin B12 deficiency can also disrupt the network and cause hand pain and numbness. Treating hand pain and numbness depends on finding the broken link in the network. Accurate diagnosis by a medical professional is crucial for fixing the problem and getting effective treatment. Stay healthy, and always remember that prevention is better than cure.